welcome to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park.
Okay, we're out for the evening.
We're out. We finished up the day, had a little dinner, and now we're walking the Gatlinburg Strip. Got to do that at least once while you're here.
We'll get some popcorn.
Yeah, we finished up for the day. We got some dinner, and now we're walking the Gatlinburg Strip.
Just 5 minutes from the hotel, so we got a hotel, pretty good spot.
Yeah.
We'll come down here and walk off dinner, and
saves us having to find a place to park since we can walk from the hotel, so that's convenient. We're doing a cider tasting.
We were spending $60 a gallon for 8.
Well, we just finished a cider tasting and we went ahead and got that's heavy, a little bottle of something for a very special person that is always taking care of us. Well, we're out this morning. It was supposed to be kind of rainy and windy today, so we thought it might be a good day to do a little shopping.
Yeah, well, we hit some stores, so what we'll do is we'll see if we can hit as many stores as we can, then we'll maybe get some photography this afternoon, maybe, but it's supposed to get worse as the day goes on. So if that's the case, be prepared for a shopping montage in Pigeon Forge area, and then we'll try again tomorrow. Here's a spot just right past Laurel Falls. Come at Sugarlands, go to Laurel Falls, and just another couple of minutes. Just one little pull out most people drive by and never see. It's got a great shot today, good colors, smoke up in the mountains, even a little bit of color in the foreground. Took a couple of shots here. Here they are. Hope you enjoy. Back out on the trail and see if we can get some photos this afternoon, salvage today, that we didn't think we'd get any pictures, so this is all bonus. All right, we're at Elkmont. There's a bridge just right over here. Show them that, Rhonda. And then the water's down here. Well, we just got all set up and got our umbrellas and raincoats and covered up the camera. Started raining harder. So we'll wait it out a little bit just to see if we can get a shot down there. Wind's starting to pick up and we may have pushed our luck, but we're gonna still try to get a shot. Yeah, this place is spectacular. It's amazing to shoot. You could just shoot photography here, enjoy the nature here, hike trails, spend a lot of time here. Very awesome. Chinese pizza.
What are you shooting?
Got this scene down here. Come a little closer here. Beautiful. I've got the F-16. Yeah, just a beautiful scene. Got some colors, the mountains, the mist in the back, some reds there, some yellows. It's a nice scene, easy pull off. So it's kind of raining, so we don't have to trip too far, so not too bad. All right, we're on the last day. We're on our way home. It's misting, so the rain won't let up, but found a spot from Sugarlands over towards Cades Cove on the Little Pigeon River Road.
Little Pigeon River Road, yeah.
So we've got the tripod out, as you can see. Some beautiful color. The mountains definitely have color left in the mountains, at least down at the lower elevation. And there's some fog and mist up in the top. It's really beautiful. Not sure I'll be able to capture all of it. May have to do a vertical to get the back of the mountains, but I've shot here before. A lot of the trees will change color and kind of hang over the water there. It looks really beautiful. So we'll do this one, and we'll find a few more spots, hopefully.
Just gonna drive along the road on our way back. We always like to kind of take our time on our way back and just see if there's a photo to be had along the road.
Yeah, we'll see what we got and keep on heading home. Really enjoying these fall colors. This is another great pulled out, beautiful spot. Light mist, perfect conditions. Awesome. All right, where are we?
We are at the Foothills Parkway, working our way back home. We've been here we had 3 nights here, so 3 nights, 4 days, and the weather worked out fine for us. It's pretty misty, foggy, rainy today, but it just adds an element.
Yeah, this is what I would like for photography, especially the fall photography.
Yeah.
And we believe a lot of the areas down low were peak.
It had to be, and I think barring some heavy wind or rain, you could probably go another week with the colors.
Yeah.
We've been coming here, as we said, for 30 years, and we've seen all different levels of color, and I think this is one of the best.
You get here early, you can go up top to Klingman's Dome, Newfound Gap, go on that side. The colors, start up there, shoot those, and it's green down here, or you can come in the middle, or the time we came, we went up there and it's dead up there. There's no color or leaves.
It has peak on top, but you get about mid-range to lower, and the colors are exquisite. You've got the reds, yellows, oranges all at once, and you don't always get all of those colors all at once. So
we're going to try to get a shot here. See behind us, I do have that shot from years ago, looking back that way with the road. It's a great shot. It's really foggy. If fog moves a little bit, we may get the shot, but it's in the 40s. It's getting cold. A friend of mine texted me saying there's supposed to be snow up in the mountains today, and we're only a day before Halloween, right? So
yes, yeah. So Halloween's tomorrow. Oh, here comes the wind. We better wrap this up.
All right, we'll see you next video.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye.